What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Mystery Edition, or Mystery Box Edition. And yeah, you can't see me because I got the Xbox One and I got the PS4 version, but we're going to unbox only one box, which is the PS4 version, because that's the one I'm going to most likely play the most. This one, this box right here, the one where you can't see me, I'm going to give it away, as well as a copy of the Xbox version of Call of Duty Black Ops 4. So yeah, I bought a bunch of copies and I feel it kind of generous. Like I said, if you haven't seen the Scuff Vantage video, go check that out and throw me some ideas. I might do a bundle package, Scuff Vantage and the big mystery box edition for the Xbox One. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, so now we're down to one box, and as you can see there, that's where the Xbox One version is at. So, grab the trusty knife, and as usual, packaging, you know, you gotta tear off the tape and shit. So we're gonna flip this box to its side and cut the tape. So yeah, unfortunately I couldn't do this unboxing on my other table like I've been doing my unboxings, because damn, this box is big. It's huge. When I got the boxes from UPS, they gave me like these two giant ass boxes, and I was like, what the hell is in them? And why did I get two? Why didn't they just bundle it up in one? But then again, I didn't realize that these boxes are pretty big. So let me get this out of the way. Oh damn, I'm like messing up the box. Hold them up, baby. Hold them up. There it goes. And then we got the other tab, and boom, we got it going. We got it going. Slide this thing up. Oh man, I'm like messing up the projector. I don't want to do that. So yeah, let me show you here the front part of the box. So you got your standard black, matte black Call of Duty Black Ops logo, mystery box edition, which is pretty dope, And of course, in the back, you have play it first on PlayStation, play new content first on PS4, Black Ops Pass, Classified Plus, Steelbook case, whole bunch of stuff in the mystery box. So yeah, it's like a cover on top of a box, which is pretty cool. I like, Call of Duty does awesome packaging, so I'm not gonna lie. So let's go ahead and move on to the box. So as it is, the box is pretty cool itself. You got the zombie characters, or the main antagonists, or the main characters, as you can say, and you can have them pretty much all over the box. I don't know if you can see it here. Maybe I can pick them up. There goes one character. And there goes another character here on the top. You see that one? You got one in the bottom as well. Let me show you that. Oh, and I just dropped my knife, and I almost dropped it on my foot. My foot, baby. You got character right there. And yeah, they're pretty much all over the box. So let's go ahead and open these tabs to see what we have inside the box. The box, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of heavy, so I'm guessing this mystery box is made out of steel or some type of die-cast iron. Who knows? Oh, and I'm already seeing batteries, so this thing's gonna require some baterias. So we take out the cover. Oh man, this is pretty dope. Voyage of Despair. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is some type of little poster, some type of poster deal. Check this thing out. Pretty nice. I like this. I'm gonna hang this up. Titanic Poster. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hold them up, player. Looks like you got multiple. We're about to pull these things out. We're about to see what we have in here, baby. Yeah, I was right. You have multiple. You have multiples. Let me find a spot here. So you got the Voyage of Despair Titanic. Here's one. I don't know if you can see that there. And then you have, I don't know what this is. Oh, IX, I guess. I don't know. Roman numerals, something. So you got zombies right there. That one looks clean. That one looks clean. And then you have Blood of the Dead. This one looks pretty dope. I actually like this one right here. You can see that there, Blood of the Dead. So you get some cool posters, man. I'm definitely gonna frame it and set it up in my game room. Like I said, I'm gonna do a game room tour pretty soon here. So once I get it complete and I have everything that I want, I'll go ahead and show it off. Moving on, like I said, you do get some batteries. You get some AA batteries. You get 3 AA batteries right here. These are, I think, like the cheap kind. These are the cheapy kinds. Vinic, 0% mercury, lead, and cadmium. So yeah, man, I'm about to pop in them Duracells or Energizers, because if this box needs batteries, I want that thing lasting all night long. So I pulled out the next thing in the box, which is a Call of Duty Zombies 10 years. Holy crap. And this is a 1,000 piece puzzle, 19 by 27. I don't know. Should I do a video building this puzzle? Check this puzzle out. I don't know, you think it looks pretty dope? It might look clean. Alright, let me remove all this cardboard out of the box, because I want to try to get this thing out. But I think this plastic's in the way, so if I fold it this way, yep, there it goes. I got it. It's all gravy, baby. And remove the foam. You get protective foam so that way the box doesn't get damaged. And oh, gee, this thing looks clean as it is already. Fuck, this thing is heavy. It has some weight to it. Now we have the mystery box, which, to be honest, looks pretty clean. It's not iron or cast or any type of deal. It's kind of like rubber or vinyl. It's pretty heavy rubber or vinyl, but you know, I'm gonna show you here. You know, you got some skulls, you got some ghouls, you got some bones, you got some zombies right there. Check that out. Zombie, and you got another zombie, and then you got another zombie, and you got some like bones, you got the skull, you got the spine. Here you have a skull in the center right there. Check that out. It looks pretty dope. We take off this styrofoam piece here, black styrofoam, chunk that on the floor, and look, right off the bat, look what you get. Call of Duty Black Ops 4 and the steelbook case. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Let me see if there's anything in here. Oh, she's neat. Well, we'll get back to that. We have some more stuff here, some more stuff here. That's pretty cool. You got a comic book, a Dark Horse Image Comics, Activision, Call of Duty Zombies, the official comic of Call of Duty Zombies. So check that out right there. Call of Duty Zombies official comic, Dark Horse, issue number 1. There you go. I don't know. I'm a huge comic book collector, and I think I'm gonna get this graded. This is probably like in perfect mint condition. And the back, you also get like a poster. I don't think I'm gonna take this out. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. So yeah, let's move on and see what else is inside the box. Oh, this is pretty much a manual, or like a little warranty or safety sheet. So here you got the fig pins, of course, the zombie characters, main characters. You got the fig pins right there. Look at that, 1 2 3 4 fig pins. So these are Stanton, Bruno, Diego, and Scarlet. So yeah, these are the characters from the game of Call of Duty Zombies. And what else do we have inside the box? Oh, you can remove this. That's pretty nice. A little heat pack, ice pack, whatever these are. Little dry packs. Bio dry. Do not eat. Yeah, don't eat these. Throw that away on the floor. Okay, so moving on. Apparently you can put batteries, and it looks like I need to get a screwdriver or something. Where is this thing at? How do you turn this on? How do you power it on? So give me about a minute and let me get some batteries. Alright, before we continue any further with the box, I finally got the batteries. Let's go ahead with what we have here. So let me move this out of the way for a bit, and then we get back to it. So here you have a Black Ops patches. Holy moly, these patches are sick, yo. You got the Firebreak, Torque, Battery, Prophet, Nomad, Ajax, Ruin, Crash, Seraph, and Recon. Check these things out. These things are sick. These are like real patches. I could probably put these in my Supreme backpack or something. That's pretty dope. I like these. Yep, these are real patches. I don't know if you can see them that well. Get your closer look. There you go there. There you go right there. These are real patches. These are nice. These are nice. Real nice. Next thing we have is the... I think we got... Oh, we got a pop socket. We got a mofo pop socket Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Although I don't use this. This is kind of like your phones. There you go. Pop socket right there. Looks nice. Looks alright. Looks dope. Pretty cool. So, pop socket. You get a pop socket. Next thing we're moving on, we get the actual game with the hard case. Steelbook case. So, let's open this thing up. And you know what? Since GT is a nice guy, I'm going to go ahead and give away the season pass and all the codes. Like I said, I don't use any of the codes, and I always give them away. So this one's for Black Ops Pass with Day 1 bonus classified zombie experience. Let me show you that there. There you go. Alright, you ready for the code? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Maybe you can see better. Boom. Let's move on to the next code. I think there's more codes in here. Yep, there's one more. This is kind of like a little safety sheet. So this one is the Mystery Box Edition digital content. You get a signature weapon, 2,400 Call of Duty points. It also includes a calling card, a gesture, an emblem, a sticker, a tag, and an additional outfit. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll show you that there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, here you go. Pause the video, write the code down. It's all yours. Congratulations to the first person that gets this. And now moving on, we got the Call of Duty disc, the steelbook case. It looks nice. I like this. It looks pretty clean. Take off the disc. As usual, as all Call of Duty games, they don't have no artwork or anything. They just got your standard logo, black background, PS4 in the bottom, Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Inside the steelbook case, you have some of the action figures. Nah, I don't know why I call them action figures. I'm just crazy like that, y'all. Here you go. You got Ruin, you got Seraph, you got Recon. You got quite a few in there. I don't know if you can see it there. Looks pretty nice. I like it. Steelbook case looks clean. You got the spine right there. Call of Duty Black Ops 4, which is dope. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. So yeah, y'all are probably wondering why I have the lights off. And this is the reason why. Once I put these batteries in, there's no type of button or anything. I think there's like a sensor. So once you remove this, okay, I'm starting to freak out, so let's put the box back. Nah, I'm just kidding. So when you take it off, it starts going crazy, just like in Blackout or when you're playing zombies, you open up a mystery loot box and everything just comes out. Ghosts, phantom guns, weapons, whatever you see, whatever you want to call it. But when you close it, it shuts down and stays quiet. That's pretty dope. I like the fact that you got the lights and the skulls and the zombies. You got this wall of skulls when it lights up, as you can see here. All this lights up. This is pretty dope. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the Mystery Box Edition. You got the Mystery Box, you got the Steelbook case, you got the patches, you got the little, what's this thing called again? Pop socket. I don't know what's so cool about pop sockets. I have no idea. I don't use them. So yeah, so you get the pop socket, you get the puzzle, you get the patches, you get the fig pins, you get the comic book with the poster in the back. Here's the puzzle again, pretty dope little puzzle. And you get the lithographs, which is pretty cool. You get a total of 3 lithographs. Well, actually, my bad. You get a total of 4 lithographs. Or am I freaking tripping or what? Yeah, you get 3 lithographs. So that's what you get. So then you get all of this for $200. $200. So there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Mystery Box Edition Call of Duty Black Ops 4. I'm finally glad that it's here. It's actually here a month early. Usually Call of Duty releases in November. But there's been some changes in Call of Duty, especially since I'm also in the competitive scene. I have a team. Well, as of right now, I don't have a team. I'm actually scouting for a team. I'm trying to find me the best team to represent FFG for Call of Duty. I don't think I'm going to attend Vegas, and I don't think I'm going to have a team for Vegas. I kind of want to wait after Vegas, so we'll see. Who knows? I might attend Vegas and just build my own team myself and play competitively. Who knows? So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, drop a thumbs down. But show support, watch the video. Drop some comments below. Let me know what you think of this Mystery Box Edition. You got the comic book. You got the fig pins. Man, I love this box. I'm not going to lie. This thing is going right there in display. I display all my collector's edition. And this is actually a pretty good collector's edition. Alright, so my battery died. And I apologize for that. But anyways, that's it for the video. I'm pretty much done. This is the unboxing. The mystery unboxing of the Mystery Box Edition. Mystery of everything. I don't know. I just love this freaking collector's edition box. It's pretty dope. It's probably one of the best ones Call of Duty has had. Except when they had the night vision goggles from Modern Warfare. I love those. Those are pretty dope. But anyways, once again, thank you guys and gals for watching. Hit me up in the comments below if y'all want that Xbox One, if y'all want the Scuff Vantage. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter and you stay up to date because I'm going to be giving it away on Twitter. So thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.